There's a cop right there. Hey man, say man, it's your boy Ryan, man. And in today's video, we're gonna be comparing the new 2015 S550 versus the 2012 S550. This is my current car, and this is my old car. I used to have this one, then I sold it to my friend. He's with me right now. This is what he's done to it. It's pretty nice. And this is the back. He's got it on some nice ass rims, and he also lowered it. And then he's got this sticker on the back, and then the quad exhaust too. It's pretty sick. And his car is also stage 2 tuned, so it's pretty fast and it sounds hella good. Okay, this is how it sits right now. And this is mine. I also just threw on black rims on the back. This is how the back looks. In my other video, I blacked out the trim in the back. It was chrome right over there. I didn't like how that looked, so I just blacked it out. And then I recently installed these rims. These rims used to be on that car, and then I bought those rims for that car. I put it on that one. I also tinted this one, so it's pretty dark. You can't see shit inside. And this is how it looks. This is how the interior looks on the 2015. It's got the panel sunroof and like the white / beige interior. Door panel. This is how the back seats look. It's got the shades up here and over here as well. These go down. And the rear shade as well. Unfortunately, it does not have the reclining rear seats, which kind of sucks. But these are the rims I put on there. I think they're 19s. Let me see, where's the number at? Yeah, they're 19s. It's got slotted or drilled rotors. And this is the trunk space. It's kind of dirty right now, but it's pretty big. And you can either press this button to close it, or you can also kick your foot underneath and it'll close. And look how his sits. Super, super nice. And super lowered. Alright, so we're just doing a video. And there's a cop right there. I think we're cooked. How you doing, officer? Good. Just recording a video. Just YouTube, just showing the cars and stuff. Yeah, did someone call it in?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. How long you guys think you're gonna be on here for?
Like 15 more minutes. We just got here.
15 minutes?
Yeah, just 15 minutes. Is that a lot?
I mean, yeah, you're not allowed to have cars parked on the
grass. Yeah.
On the grass.
Sorry.
Are you guys able to take your pictures quicker than that and get out of here, or?
Yeah, we're just doing like a super short video, just walk around the cars.
A video?
Yeah, just like a walk around of the cars and taking some quick pictures.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
15 minutes?
We'll be quick. It'll be like 5 minutes.
Oh, let's take it out of here. That'd be great.
Okay, sounds good. One of the homeowners call in or like Barry?
Yeah, for the residents around here.
Okay, sorry about that. Okay, we'll get out of here. Okay, we just got in trouble by the cops. Alright, let me show you guys the inside real quick. This is the inside of his car. He's got the Saratoga water. You already know he'd be waking up at 4 in the morning. And he's also got the panoramic sunroofs.
Please don't see my plate.
Is she coming?
I don't know. No, I don't.
Oh, and he's also got soft closing doors, just like mine. Bro, good thing the cop didn't say nothing about the tint, like the windshield tint or like the side window tint. So apparently somebody called it in. Makes sense. Don't blame him. Yeah, the cop's still right there. We're gonna have to switch locations just because the cop told us to get out of here and she's still waiting on us. So we're not gonna get in trouble. See the cop right there? We're about to go to a new undisclosed location. But yeah, when the cop got here, she was pretty chill. But then you could literally hear people like drifting a car, like a few feet away from us. So she should have went. Oh, y'all hear that? She should have went to go get them. All right, we're at the new spot. 2 cars. Here's one of the cool features too. It's got a front camera that pops out. Like if you want to see that 360 or something. Oh, it's pretty sick. See how it's popping out? Yeah. But this is the new spot right here.
They just took pictures of the car.
Hey there. This is the side profile again.
You have to blur the whole video.
This is the engine bay, and then you could press both of these red buttons on each side, one right there and then one right there, and then the hood will go like 90 degrees up. That's how it looks. And the same thing for that one. Damn, y'all see that tint though? Alright, so like I said, this is my engine bay right here. It's a 4.7 liter bi-turbo V8. And then same thing in the 2012 engine, 4.7 liter bi-turbo. His is just missing the cover, you know, better cooling. But yeah, just missing the cover. And this is what it looks like with the cover. And in the 2015, there's more covered all around the sides right here. I'm gonna start it up so you guys can hear how it sounds. This one's fully stock, no exhaust on it, nothing. It's got all the mufflers, so that's how it sounds. So that's how that sounds. Now we're gonna do a startup on the 2012 S550. This one's got a stage 2 tune, and it's kind of straight piped. So let's hear it. All right, so that's how it sounds like on the inside. That turbo whistle. So that's how that sounds like. This one can sound the same way if I just straight pipe it, but I don't know, just different. All right, in 2015, this is how like the dash looks like. You can control like the music from here. And then this is where you control your massaging seats. Right here. It's got all these different options right here. And you also got your navigation right here. That's how this looks like. And your media button right here. And then you go back to the home screen right here. Then you got your sport and comfort settings for the suspension, and then for the engine right here. And this is how you do like the highest air suspension setting. And then the auto start on and off. And now I want to show you guys on 2012 what that looks like. And this is how it looks like in the 2012. The navigation system. And then the suspension stuff. And then the rear shade button right here. And the radio button right here. And then this is where you raise your suspension. And then your sport settings. And there's people out there doing like a donut. You hear that? That's him right there. Damn, look at this tent though. This is how my 2015 looks. My friend's driving it. He's coming back. Now he's about to go to his car. Alright, this is gonna wrap up the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. What other type of videos you guys want to see on these type of cars. Or what other mods we should do. But yeah, that's it. Peace.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.